Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn on black in-app voice and video calls when smart driving is on in Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, sir, in settings, scroll down and find the smart services. Okay, click this. And okay guys, sir, in smart services, you can see the smart driving. Okay, go to smart driving. And okay guys, sir, in smart driving, okay, you can see the smart driving is on. And okay guys, you all have to do is go to do not disturb driving. Okay, click this. And okay guys, sir, and do not disturb driving and incoming calls. Okay, you can see below the black in-app voice and video calls. Okay guys, when smart driving is on, voice and video calls from WeChat will be black. And okay guys, to turn on this, okay, you only have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on the black in-app voice and video calls when smart driving is on in your Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.